28th, 29th, and blah 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 blah. Okay. Okay. We now fold this up. Alright, we did that. We now fold that up. What is this telling me to do now? Part of light and wide. Lightly part spread lightly. Spread lightly. Spread lightly. Okay, then we push that in. Push that. No, don't rip, don't rip. Okay. Oh, I did this step wrong. Wait, what did I do wrong here? Hmm. 41, 42. 41 is where I went wrong. Flatten. Okay. Push, fold the part so that something. Oh my god, the translate does not work well. Okay. So need to invert some stuff here. What exactly is this asking me to do? So I need this is the one step. If I figure out how to do, then I can finally finish this. Okay, so we got to this point. There's a little arrow that says to pull this. Okay. So now we look at it from this angle. I think. I'm stuck. Sorry everyone. I don't know if I can do this. 41. What are you asking me to do? Those look like 2 value folds. So put a value fold here and here. Then we should see a little bit of a X shape going.